Meron na kayong suggested.
Meron na, hindi. For consideration and review of the members.
Isa lang yung mga natin. So far. Yung kanina. Yung info.
February dito kasi ito kay James Marcos.
These are organization that exist in the community among themselves. Kaya ang mga members ito ay mga naghahanap buhay na doon sa area establishment. So you're going to work hand in hand with the medical. Yun yung ibig sabihin.
Medyo yung simbo ay nakapipin ay matagal na walang action. Kaya what time is the order to be
Isa lang ang hindi natin pwedeng i-delegate yung taxation process. Kailangan yan directly sa BPF lang yan. Hindi natin yan pwede ilabas. Kasi if not, makikreate ka ng bagong system which I think hindi siya fit under the single election.
It was like the Chinatown building lang too.
Oo. Magkano tayo nga work on this practice.
Wala namang gano'n, kundi we're just recommending na maglagay ng satellite sila sa Robinson.
For
Yun lang.
renewal. Will Robinson ask for a fee or it's for free? Because I think in the likes of SM, pagkakit, kasi in the likes of I think SM, they're giving it for free because they need it as a advantage sa kanila as foot traffic. If Robinson will do so, then we can have an office there for renewal as long as the city will not incur. You can talk to the Robinson. City will not incur expenses o renewal. New, dito na sa main, City of Payago, Manila, which is online naman. Pagka renewal, actually, renewal, pwede rin mo naman. Kaya we don't need to incur extra expenses just to address and give fees to the Ermita Malacay business sector. Ano yung Monero dito? Kung libre. Hindi, kasi ano yan advantage sila. Usually nasa higher floors yan eh. Parang dito sa
Third floor before.
Kaya na mga business model ng ibang government. Meron silang pina-accommodate na beautiful day. There is this Itong implementing rules, ipadala nyo na kagad kay CGD para mapirmahan na siya. Then adaptation to the City Council, sa IRR. So generally, okay naman. Ito naman yung purpose talaga ng method.